Well, good morning, Jaginder Rana here. The topic of our discussion today is lost landmarks. Lost landmarks. Jahaji Haveli. Now being renovated, this mansion built in the form of a ship is closely linked to Diwan Todermal. It's an important reminder of sacrifice and courage in Sikh history. It was Diwan Todermal who is believed to have arranged for the cremation of Guru Gobind Singh Ji's son, Sahibzada Zorawar Singh and Sahibzada Fateh Singh and Mata Guruji in 1705 by covering the required land with gold coins as sought by the ruler of the area. That is called Jahaji Haveli. Next is Am Khas Bagh, a garden and monument built by Mughal Emperor Jahangir. It is under the purview of the tourism department, but it is in bad shape. Daulat Khana Khas, Sard Khana and Shahi Imam show signs of damage. So the pavement have cracks, fountains are not functional and water channels are dry. Weeds swarm the ground. And Sadhana Kasai Masjid. Sadhana Kasai was a 13th century saint, poet and mystic from Sindh, whose hymns were included in Guru Granth Sahib. This mosque was built in his honor in Sirhind. The mosque is largely neglected. One of the two domes is damaged. The Hawz water tank in front of the mosque is dry. Then Roja Sharif. This is the one in good shape. Khalifa Sayyid Muhammad Sadiq Raja said they've been carrying out repairs and renovations at the shrine as and when needed. The tomb of Hazrat Masoom Naqshbandi Sarhindi, who was Sajda Nashin, primary spiritual successor of Mujadid Alif Sani, too has been maintained properly. Then Shagird tomb, dedicated to Khwaja Khan, apprentice of Ustad Sayyid Khan. This structure too is badly damaged. One of the facades is reduced to rubble and the walls are crumbling. The Nakkasi on the roof is all but erased. And then Bibi Subhan tomb. The resting place of Bibi Subhan, daughter of Bahlol Lodi, the founder of Lodi dynasty. It is in a relatively wetter condition, though weeds are growing, but of its dome and terrace. Then Bibi Taj tomb, believed to belong to the niece of Caliph Ali. It is situated in Dera Mir Miran area of Sirhind. It is the crumbling in parts and covered in an infestation of weeds. And then Ustad's tomb, situated in Talanian village. It is the resting piece of Ustad Sayyid Khan, a prominent architect and master mason from the Mughal period. The building is riddled with cracks and the land overturned by weeds. The Nakkasi, that is fresco, on the roof is vanishing and there is waste strewn all around. So these are the lost landmarks. Thank you very much.